So to start with, I want to show you the removal of the LCD screen. This is predominantly and mainly for electricians, so please don't go doing this on a regular basis, if at all. So for example, to remove the LCD, you're purely just pushing up, upwards like this, and you'll see it'll come off. So again, behind it is a normal plate, well, slightly different actually, but behind here is all the electrical wiring, you know, and this is for the electrician to do only. What you'll see here is these pins here. This is where the LCD panel here is going to connect to those pins, and that is how you remove on and off. So when installing the switch, the electrician will do all his work, install the plate, and then you can, well, let him ultimately install the switch by pushing on and then down. So this switch, just reconnecting to the Wi-Fi, connected, and we are away, on and off. So here in the setting menu, I want to show you how to turn the switch from a 2-gang, 3-gang, or 4-gang. So under here, sorry, not 4-gang, or a curtain switch, 1, 2, 3. So let's go with a 3-gang. I'll click that there, I'll go confirm, and boom, I'm away. It is now a 3-gang switch. That simple. This switch is only hardwired to one circuit, one set of lights, so only light 1 will work, light 2 and 3 will do nothing. So as an example, if you do not have the wiring on behind the switch, that is really going to do nothing for you, but it is a good example of how easy it is to change the switch from a 1-gang, 2-gang, or 3-gang, or curtain, or motor control, blind control, curtain control, whatever you want to name. Anyway, that's nice and simple. I just wanted to demonstrate that control in the setting menu. So this is curtain control. This will work in HomeKit as well. So if you want to control curtains, ultimately the icon right now can only be a curtain. We're working on them to get it as a blind as well, because I know a lot of HomeKit users want HomeKit motor control, blind control. But right now it is purely, you know, the image is only curtain. You, in theory, could control a blind, but if you do not like the aesthetics, and obviously this is a curtain and you're controlling a blind, then you may just have to wait a little bit. But for example, you know, the close and the open. So right now it's closed. I can click that and it is going to open. Obviously that's doing nothing because it is not hardwired to a curtain at all. But that is a demonstration. There we go. It turned on the light for you, but obviously not a curtain.